Hey, welcome back. At this point, we've learned a lot of theory. We've learned how to create conceptual models and normalization, and now it's time to actually work on Lou's Pizza Shop's database, and we're going to do that in this next module. Before we do that, let's just step back and think about all the pieces we've learned so far, because we're going to use all of these in the next following lessons to complete our goal. So we have requirements. We've used those to build the conceptual model. We're going to look back on the requirements when we work on our ER diagrams to help fill those out, which were, of course, based on that conceptual model. And part of this whole process involves understanding and knowing database normalization and when to use that. So you could almost think of the database normalization kind of flowing back in. In fact, I like to think of this process as being an iterative process. So at this point, what you'll see us working on is the ER diagrams. We'll probably do a first cut at it, and then we're going to come back, look at what we have, see if we think that table looks good or not. Is it, well, I'll say in quotes, normalized, meaning is it in third normal form? If not, what design changes can we make to make it third normal form? And then we will talk about some of the patterns that I would put into the model to enforce some of the relationships, and talk about some other patterns that can come up with table design. So there's a lot we're going to pull together in this next module. So let's get going with our lessons.